Hi folks, we got another truck for you to look at. This is kind of different. It's quite a truck. It's served from the outside, it's served from the inside. It gives you a lot of different, a little different than what you're used to seeing. A little different than what we're used to making, but it's just another example of you can make whatever you want. Well, let's take a look at this truck. As we walk up here, you have to understand that this thing is, we call it like 95% completed. The last 5% is the wrap. The owner of this truck is going to have this wrapped when he gets it back to where he's living. So it's just in its natural colors now, but you've got to take and remember it's going to be totally wrapped and you won't see none of this color issue. Start with right here inside its own case, we have a LED screen, and which can be used for menu board or whatever he wants to put on that screen. All operated from his phone. You have a pop-up tray here. You have a serving area outside to walk up and pick your things. You have a refrigerated beverage area here and ice, and so the customer can walk up, pick items. You have a sandwich cooler here that opens from the outside, which is refrigerated with shelves, and some people can walk up and say, I want this, and walk away and get their food instantly and serve themselves from the outside. Set it on the tray pops down. During transport, when your door is closed, this has a marquee awning on the door for signage, and it all closes in and locks when it's shut. The truck itself, we have built a marquee around the total top for additional advertising. The marquee goes around the whole truck, and we can take a quick scan around the truck, which you can see it from the front. You can see we rolled the top so the wind would roll over the top, just to break up the wind there in the front, because the marquee goes all the way around the truck. This truck had to have some modifications to it when we were building it. He's got a 5.5 Onan generator, LP gas driven inside, and a shore power cord is on a shelf inside his rack. We had to do a modification here and build a gas tank system and move it because of the interior products. So we had to change the wheel wells and drop them down and change the gas line direction. So we built a cap system and got it mounted here. Naturally, he has his waste tank underneath and his dump for his waste tank right here, which you can see some tested water in it. There it is. The opening here has a key. In here he has his water hookup, or if he has water on site, he can hook it in and charge the system. He has his water tank fill here, where he can put his hose up and fill his holding tank. On the back of the trailer, when we first got this truck, it had a lift gate on it and a roll-up door. So we pulled the roll-up door out, pulled the lift gate off, built the bumper for the truck, built the wall in, built the exterior door system, and hung the propane tanks on each side. So you get a good picture about how we can put them together. You know, whatever it takes to make them work, we'll figure it out, we'll lay it out, we'll draw it, we'll make it engineered, and we'll get it built. Let's look in it. Okay, we're gonna walk in here and take a look at the interior. You can see from the camera, if you look at the bottom here at the floor, this has got a diamond plate floor, but you'll look underneath. We had to modify and lower all the fender wells in this truck because of the equipment that had to go over the top. So we had to build some leg systems for the one on the other side and make it all work out so that it wasn't too high, but yet fit over top all the wheel wells to make everything work. Let's take a look in here and you can see what we got. From right there, Richard, you can see this is what we can figure out the date on the back. This was manufactured in 1945, this piece of equipment. It's been all refurbished, and it's basically a pizza. It's the old baguette or blagat, I don't know how you say it, but that's you chefs know what you're looking at. It's got two ovens here, the burner system here, and then two more ovens and a burner system. So we got this heavy unit in here, which we had to respring this truck on this side so it wouldn't set sideways with this heavy oven. This truck inside is all mill finish. It has a 3-bay sink right here at the back, in which it has a cutting board on top, which we build and set up to go over the sinks so they can use it for more countertop space and cutting, sprayer, double shelves, hand sink, holding tank, pump systems are all behind the diamond plate. Sandwich prep here with the refrigeration below. And moving right along, another refrigeration, a worktop refrigerator, double door freezer, and worktop. And here he has a, I guess, I don't know, is that a slicing machine of some type? I'm not a chef, but that's what it is. We have a service panel with all the breakers and all the systems broke up. The generator out front, you have a switch that are locked, so you're either on shore power or generator power, so you can't feed them both at the same time. Right beside it, you have your auto start for your own incoming generator. So all your start and stop your generator from inside your trailer. You have the can opener here. We built a partition wall from the cab. This he has, you keep on moving here, we have a big mixer for, commercial mixer for whatever your needs are. Here you have a large warmer box, which is all set up. We kind of diamond plated it, built the frame, and it's just all slide ins for all type of food on your trays that slide right in and stay warm. The refrigerator, which you've seen from the outside, or this is a heating unit, I believe, for hot food. But they can access their exterior there from these systems to load their shelves with the food if it gets low for people to pick off from the outside. Then they strictly close it up and just drop the pins in. But feed the top where the ice and everything is, the counter's hinged for it to lift up, and they have access to go down in here and reload this from the inside without having to see it getting low. They can open this up and drop some in it. And so the truck also, you can see up here, has a stereo system in it besides the TV system, and the speakers are on the outside, and the speakers are up front here underneath the front, so you got all the music and noise you need. And it's kind of unique. It's different. It's a very big pizza oven in it, and it's again AC'd, fluorescent lights, and pretty well finished up. And just another example of setting the windows back, building the frame system, plexiglass in the windows. So we had an idea of what he wanted, we drew some pictures, and we'll build it. So whatever your imagination may make you, whatever you're thinking, come on over, we'll sit down and we'll figure it out, and we'll draw a plan and we'll build it. So come see us.